What is up, everybody? Just let her wait. What is up, everybody? So, in today's video, we're going to be playing around with this mod. Now, if you would wonder where do you get this mod, it's a brand new mod that practically just got released maybe a month ago. It's on the repo. Oh, wrong button. So, if you go to mods, right here, you might just kind of be scrolling through. Now, if you still can't find it when kind of scrolling through, just search up DW, and you might find, and you should find this, and that's the mod we will be using. So we're just gonna jump it right now. It has a lot of speed to it. It's extremely fast. But maybe we could take it to Johnson Valley in this video. Let me see if I can do a flip. That would be fun. To do a flip, that would be really fun. Okay. Oh, no, you can't. Oh, we did a flip. Alright. Let's take it to Johnson Valley. And see how it does. Did do a video on it was new beamng mod, and told some Discord servers, raw renderings, raw and real customs, and yeah, that's a great find. And some popular YouTubers are starting to use it, some of the YouTubers Komodo Gaming's friends with and stuff. I bet he's gonna start using it soon, and yeah. Alright. So, this one was one that I made. A custom one. Let's just do one of the stock ones. Let's just do the Dead Bull one. I would have just went to I would have just done the spawn at this camp, but every time I've done it beforehand, it's just crashed. The game's just crashed all. I guess that's the closest that it is. Alright. Look at the transmission, or the thing, it's just going red and stuff. The guy said it took him 10 years to make this, though. Like, when you download the mod and read kind of the description of it, it said he took him 10 years to make. It's his first ever mod. I checked his, where, like, you can check the mods he made, and it's the only mod. This was the only mod. So this guy's definitely got potential in this mod. For sure, he's got a potential for some stuff for the game. Like I'm pretty sure he hasn't even announced this. Like, he just showed up without anything. Oh, I shot it too much. I'm just gonna roll it back over. Whoa! Hey, that worked. Just get this stupid piece to come off. This thing's got power, though. Alright, let's go do it again. We landed one! Okay, I'm just gonna hold the throttle. My keyboard. Actually, never mind. It's just gonna be keyboard. Okay, let's go the opposite way. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Keep it landed, keep it landed, keep it landed. Wait, put the differential on. Yeah! Alright, damage, one panel. That's it, that's what it looks. Oh, wait. Yeah, it looks about one panel. One panel damaged. We're gonna hit a jump. That wasn't really a jump, though. Come on. Oh! Oh. No! Perfect. Bless me. Oh, I'm gonna roll. Oh, there goes my rear axle. Did they make it up? Oh, oh, yeah! Oh God. as long as we don't lose any tires or break the steering or anything, we can still drive it. Okay, pop tires I don't care about. Oh, that's good. Oh yeah, we can drift. We're drifting. It can drift. Well, in the sand, but... Uh-oh. Oh. Oh, that's a gate. That's a fence. That's a fence. That's a fence. Oh, it's right there, too. Oh. Steering is gone. We've lost the steering. I'm trying to... Wait, so... The steering wheel works. It's not... We broke our steering. Look. And the wheel is not moving. Review to the HUD. So we're turning the steering wheel. So it's only turning because it's broken. Oh. I think we could drive it back. Okay, yeah, they're oh. Inspect the damage. Slow. Do you think I could just like stomp on the tire and then it breaks? Alright, well, let's reset. Alright, try that again. Let's just try to full blast up that hill. This hill right here. Oh. Oh, almost hit that and crashed. I'm just gonna launch up it. We're probably gonna break the first second. Yep. Yep, we're just gonna roll. I wanna take it. Here we go. Oh. Oh, yeah. That works. We should take it to Toxic Dunes maybe in the next video. I don't remember this in Johnson. This trail. Oh, it's like basically a band. Oh no, it isn't. Yeah, it's a full-on trail. Oh. I think the gate is like, or the fence is right, like right along the, oh no, it's right there. No, that's a trail. Where's this one? Yeah, the gate's just along there. Okay. I believe I can fly. Oh. That's steering. Oh, I still got steering. Flip back over. Yay. Yeah, we still got steering. It's just broken. really badly. Alright, well, that is gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.